guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be making some slime. So the ingredients that you are going to be needing, well, I'm going to be using some clear glue and pink glitter glue. I'm going to use some glitter to make it more glittery, and a spoon, a bowl, and an activator. But I'm going to be using Tide. You can use borax or contact lens solution. That's what other people use. But some people use Tide. So yeah, so let's get started. I'm going to add some glue. That's all. Then I'm going to add some of this glitter. So I'm going to put it in here. Glitter. Now, I'm going to add some of this Tide. That's all. This is going to be really fun.
Get excited.
Okay, so guys, this slime is working. It's working.
Yeah, at this point, it's working, you
Oh,
guys. Woo!
Here, and I can stop.
What? It's
Let's take
working. And it's a lot of slime, you guys. It's a lot.
Because I by accident poured almost a whole
Oh, we got a whole bunch of slime. We could give some to your friends at school.
Yeah, that's why. And also, if my friends are watching this, I'm gonna also have a slime.
And you guys, just to let you know, I have a giveaway going on my channel.
Yeah.
So this video is also going to be on my YouTube channel. I'm going to have my YouTube channel in the link below. So I have a giveaway going on. I have an eyeshadow palette and a pair of eyelashes that I'm giving away. If you want to enter into the giveaway, all you got to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel. The link will be in the description below. And on top of that, if you want to know the details of the giveaway, all you have to do is go watch my 2 last videos, and I mention exactly what you have to do for the giveaway to be entered in. So these are one of the things that you will be one lucky winner will get is House of Lashes styled Bambi, beautiful wispy lashes, and then the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Value 3. Mostly shimmers on this palette and 1 matte color, and it's a very beautiful palette. I actually have 2 that I'm giving away. So one person is going to win these 2 items, and then another person is going to win this by itself. So yeah, don't forget, subscribe to my daughter's channel and subscribe to my channel. Later.
So guys, this one, it is activated. It just feels a little sticky,
yeah,
but I'm going to need it.
It's definitely activated.
If you need it,
Or if you put it in the refrigerator or something right for a little while.
you only do it if it's like a different type of stuff, like with food or
You can put it in the refrigerator for a little bit, so it could be more, it could be more, less sticky.
You want to help me here?
Yeah. So you guys, we're gonna end this video right here. We're gonna put it in the refrigerator, and yeah, because right now it's like it feels like goo.
Goo.
But this is so cool right here. Look at this. What?
We made edible slime before, but we didn't post it. We just recorded it.
So you
That was
guys,
so much fun.
I'm gonna let her do her outro.
So yeah, guys, yeah, that's the end of this video. I hope you like it, and also remember what my mom said. Go subscribe to her channel. Turn the notifications on to see when I post another video like this or another one, and subscribe to my channel as well.
Oh yeah, because she will be doing some more videos. I'm gonna make sure that, you know, she's more activated on her channel. So activated. I'm gonna make sure that she's more, you know, available now that the summer is coming for more videos to come. And yeah, so just don't forget to subscribe to her channel. And also, we're about to do the Hot Takis and Doritos and Cheetos challenge.
Cheetos, remember you said that.
Well, we'll see, but we're gonna do the hot chip challenge. So look out for that, and we might have some pranks going. We might have some pranks going on. We don't know yet, but just make sure to subscribe to my channel, and subscribe to her channel. Anything you gotta say?
Actually, yes. And also, thank you, Mommy, for being in my video today.
No problem.
I love you so much. And also, guys, yeah, that's it.
Okay, I love you too. See you later. Bye. Show the slime.
It's sticky, but I added more active.
It's working now. Success. Bye. Jiggle it, jiggle it, jiggle it, smack it, jiggle it, smack it, jiggle it, smack it. It's a success. Woo, you guys.
We made slime today. Go check out that video.
We made slime. This is definitely done, Saida. Look. It's falling. It's not really sticking too much to my hand. Woo! Slime! Subscribe!
Yeah, so please subscribe.
Bye!